Imagine trying to carve intricate details onto a delicate piece of glass with a bulky, heavy rotary tool that plugs into the wall. It is a recipe for hand cramps and ruined projects. That is where this sleek little AMZNR cordless engraving pen comes into play, completely changing how we look at detail work. It is shaped remarkably like a thick marker, fitting naturally into the hand without that awkward, top-heavy feeling you get with traditional rotary tools. Now, do not expect this to cut through thick steel pipes. It is a 3.6-volt system, meaning it is built for precision rather than raw, brute force. But for etching glass, polishing jewelry, or sanding down tiny 3D prints, it is surprisingly capable. The motor hums along with 3-speed settings, ranging from 12,000 to 17,000 RPM. Switching speeds is just a single button click, which is great, though honestly, it is easy to accidentally cycle through them if you grip the pen too close to the power button. Look, it is a minor quirk, but something to keep in mind during delicate work. What stands out, though, is the sheer variety of what you get in the box. There are 82 accessories packed into a neat little case, from tiny sanding bands to engraving burrs and micro drill bits. It is basically a complete starter kit for crafters. The battery life is another high point. It charges via a modern Type-C port, which is fantastic because nobody wants another proprietary cable cluttering their desk. On a full charge, it runs for up to 90 minutes. In real-world use, since you are usually turning it on and off for quick touch-ups, that battery easily lasts through a few days of casual crafting. The purple indicator light gives it a nice, modern aesthetic, and the overall build quality feels solid, not like a cheap plastic toy. However, if you try to drill into hard metals or thick oak, the motor will stall to protect itself. It is definitely a micro tool for micro tasks. But for anyone looking to personalize gifts, engrave glassware, or clean up small hobby projects, this little device offers incredible freedom without any annoying cords getting in the way. It is a highly capable, budget-friendly companion that makes detailed crafting feel effortless.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.